So what's better than a nice hot dish of pasta on a snowy Friday afternoon? And because I can't eat meat, I'm having a vegetable dish. And what am I having? Broccoli and pasta. First thing you have to do is put oil in the pot. Put enough in the bottom so you can see. Take a look. So it's covered with a nice little leftover. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut up about 5 big cloves of garlic. Now, this recipe has maybe 4 ingredients. Let me see. Olive oil, garlic, broccoli, salt, and pasta. 5. So I'm putting all the garlic in. And when the garlic starts to simmer, I'm going to add the broccoli and the salt and a wee bit of chicken broth so the broccoli doesn't burn. There it goes, sizzling nicely. And my grandson and my sons call this, because it's very, very sharp, a finger eliminator. The children are not allowed to use it, of course. So, 5 large garlic cloves. See, nicely? If you want, you could put a little hot pepper, but it's not mandatory. So there you go. Now I'm putting the broccoli in. I cut off most of the stem because it's better with just the florets. So we're going to add all this. Aha! Take a peek. And about a teaspoon or so of salt. That's maybe a little bit more than a teaspoon. And then I'm going to add just a small amount of chicken broth. Okay, I'm going to lower the flame to about medium to low. Let it cook on a slow flame. And we'll be back when the broccoli is done. Okay, so the pasta's done. I'm going to strain it in the colander here. And what I'm going to do also is reserve a wee bit of pasta water in case I need it. You don't have to reserve the pasta water. Some people don't like it with any kind of liquid in it. So I forgot to bring the pot back. Here we go. And the broccoli took about 15 or 20 minutes. So what I'm going to do is take all the broccoli, take a look at it. It should be whole but not totally full. What I meant was mushy, falling apart. Oh, that looks delicious. I'm going to put some of mine in a dish. This looks scrumptious. I'm going to put some cheese on it. That's so good. I hope you try it. It's very simple. It took like all in all together. You could have the pasta working and the broccoli working, and it takes you 15, 20 minutes and you have dinner. Until next time, bon appetit. Hello? And
I can cut that out.